Welcome to Tech Tycoon. With land prices getting higher and higher each year, the tiny house movement is in full swing. And if you found the perfect small house of your dreams, minute spaces can be very cozy to live in, without the burden of having too many things. So you got a limited space to settle in, and probably the biggest question is how to put all the necessary things in there, cleverly using every inch. Just because your living room is small doesn't mean you can't fit in a dining table, work area, or extra storage. By investing in some multifunctional furniture, you'll soon have a living space where more practicality than meets the eye. So today in this video we are going to talk about those furnitures whose main purpose is space saving. So if you are ready, be sure to grab some popcorn and watch till the end. If you don't want to miss our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get notified every time we post new videos. Number 10. Laptop table. A laptop table is work and comfort. No room for a desk. A laptop table could be the answer. A versatile piece of furniture like this can tuck neatly underneath a sofa or armchair to form a handy desk surface. When it's not being used for work, simply move it to the side, where it can assume its second job as a handy spot for drinks. Number 9. New Avoliola 10 Queen Size Murphy Bed. If your space is so small that you cannot decide on whether to have a comfortable bed or a space to entertain, take a look at the new Avoliola 10 Murphy Bed. This can be your go-to for putting transforming furniture pieces in every room of your home. Hidden away in a cute little 3-seat sofa, this queen-sized bed not only disappears seamlessly into the decor, but it also transforms with hardly any hassle. The shelf that sits above the sofa even transitions smoothly into the foot of the bed, offering additional nighttime storage without any extra attachments. Number 8. Tripa Foldable Sofa Bed. The Tripa futon in gray velvet is the epitome of lavish. By day, utilize this hard-working piece as a sofa for reading and watching TV. At night, simply fold down its back to sleep an adult comfortably. Number 7. The Window Sofa. An alternative to a built-in sofa is a custom-made window seat. This works particularly well in a room with a bay, but the same effect can be achieved by locating 2 bookcases on either side of a window to form a recess. Make the most of the seating by designing storage below. This one has useful cavities beneath the seats for storing books. Number 6. Nendo Nest Shelf Bookshelf. Unrivaled masters of elegant minimalism, Japanese designers have been meeting small space questions with innovative answers for years. A perfect example is the simple expanding bookshelf by Japanese design company Nendo. When open, the Nest shelf expands from a collapsed size of about 2 feet to a fully extended size of just over 4 feet. There are also 2 other size adjustments in between, helping you meet your storage needs with a minimum of fuss. Number 5. Olden Tiered Square Top Coffee Table. There's no such thing as too much drawer space, and the Olden coffee table proves it. 4 corner drawers with easy-pull metal glides and sculptural pulls tuck away when not in use. A square tabletop sits above even more divided shelving space to present additional decor. Number 4. Ottoman. Double up a footstool. An ottoman is a really useful item to have in your living room, as it can be used as both storage and a footstool. If you've invested in a sofa-cum-bed to accommodate overnight visitors, an ottoman would be the perfect place for keeping an extra set of fresh bed linen handy. Number 3. Goliath Expanding Table. Another offering from Resource Furniture, the Goliath transforms from a small writing desk into a full dining table. Available in both indoor and outdoor materials, as well as a sturdy, reflective glass construction, this 17.5-inch desk uses lightweight aluminum leaves to expand to just over 9 feet with enough room to seat 10 guests comfortably. Number 2. Hidden Majestic Desk Bed. Instead of pairing a bed with a sofa, the Majestic from Hidden puts a queen-sized bed inside of a classic-looking, secretary-style writing desk. Once the desk folds down into a bed, the writing surface slips easily beneath, offering under the bed storage. Even more impressive, once you bring the bed down, you have a pair of useful shelves that sit over the bed for holding any nighttime necessities. This innovation gives you twice the room and half the space. Number 1. Studio Drawer Pick Chair. In need of extra seating whenever company comes, Studio Drawer has just the thing for you. Created by ingenious designer Drawer Benchetrit, the pick chair takes just a second and only one hand to morph from captivating wall art to comfortable seating. And back to art, if you appreciate Drawer's designs, check out the rolling Toomey suitcase that expands by stages, ending up twice as large as its original size. In just a few snaps, you are back to a modestly sized carry-on that is easy to store without taking up too much extra space in your home. So here we have come to the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed the video. If yes, kindly let us know in the comments. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so. See you in the next video.